Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for gold, Dow Jones and Nasdaq 100. I told you today early in the day that one can remain short on US100 and US30 till the time US30 trades below 33,300 levels and US100 below 12,820, and precisely both trading with a good drop, almost close to 1.5 and 1% drop. Similarly, gold also traded sideways. It failed to break out. It traded about 1855 for a couple of for a while, but then again dropped, failed to break past 1858, and similarly it failed to break below 1845 as well. Now what is going to happen? We are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. First we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq, and then in last we'll see Dow Jones. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully. Let's start the day with gold first. Gold right now trading at 1849 level. Now look, this is the hourly chart for gold, and you can, as I told you today early in the day, that this is the resistance zone at till 1855. It has got a stronger resistance. Also look at this higher highs. So probably it may try to come back till towards 1846. This level I will be watchful of. If it breaks, again I am saying if it breaks 1845, then only one can go short. Below that we may see little bit bearishness there. At the same time above 1855 only something we can think of going long there, else it may try to trade in this range itself. Directional movement trying to converge, it is bearish, it is trying to converge, as stochastic on hourly charts are also near to bottom, trying to reverse, and MACD diverging, indicating bearishness there. RSI is also trading flat near to bottom. Mixed indication. Let's have a look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, couple of things. See, on the 2-hour charts, here it is higher highs and then this retracement lower lows here. So on the 2-hour charts it is indicating that it is trying to break on the downside. See this higher lows here, then a retracement, then lower lows there, retracement, lower lows there. So it is trying to precisely trade sideways, trying to precisely trade in this zone itself. The support there at 1840 levels and 1845 levels is going to be there. This is going to be a stronger support for gold to breach and break past by. So I'll be watching out for that. And if you look at the directional movement, it is bearish. The stochastic on the 2-hour charts is bearish or two, looking downwards here. That is one observation, that it is crossed over. On the sell side, the MACD is already divergent and it's already on sell, and RSI also curving downwards, sloping downwards, indicating little bit of bearishness there. Now look at the 3-hour chart. So 3-hour charts, the lower lows are already done. It appears that it might try to get support here at 1845, definitely a very strong support. At the same time, on the upside, it is trying to trade in this channel. Probably it may continue to trade in this channel itself. Any breakout below probably 1840, definitely again a stronger support will come into picture. So I'll be watchful of that. Yes, you can try to initiate a short position at around 1844-45 levels, but then 1840 definitely is going to be a very strong support levels for any downward move. On the upside, 1855, 1858 levels, these levels it has to break past by for any stronger move on the upside. I'll give you the levels. Let's first try to see in detail. Directional movement is bearish, it is divergent. The stochastic is crossing over for a sell here, indicating that probably it may try to go for a sell, but I'll be cautious there. Look at the MACD, it is divergent and it is still bearish. The RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see here higher highs have been done, and if you consider this, it is trying to trade with this as, and the pivot is at around 1854-55 levels. Again, if it breaks this zone, probably it may try to hit 1860 also on the upside, and the downside 1845, definitely a very strong support. Below that we may see it going till towards 1840-42 zone, which is again a very strong support for gold on the downside. Right now what it is trying to do, if you look at the charts here, see, let me zoom out a bit, and if you watch it closely, it is still very much in this channel, trading in this channel. Couple of breakouts, however retrace back nicely, retracement, again dropping with this. So yes, any breakdown below 1845 only is the possibility that one can go short. Till the time it trades above, I'll not recommend. Then the target support again 1840. At the same time, any reversal beyond 1855, there you can go long again, probably 1860 the next target, and then it may rise till towards 1865 also, the top of the channel there. The directional movement is bearish here. The stochastic is still looking upwards on the 3-hour charts. The MACD is divergent and it's still on sell. RSI also trying to look upwards on the 4-hour charts. Let's have a look at the daily charts now. On the daily charts, very clearly it has shown the lower lows. See, it is trying to trade range bound, possibly that is what it appears here. See, lower lows and lower highs. The highs are yet to form there. If it fails to do so, then this is something that it is trying to form a expanding triangle, and probably then the downside support at 1840 will come into picture. If it fails to go on the upside and break past 1858, probably we may say that it is trying to trade with the expanding, and it is definitely bearish in nature. Now look at this, the support there at 1840 is very strong now. 20 period moving average coming here together, and if it breaks this zone, there is a lot much to cover for gold, and it can try to come back till towards 1820 levels. So yes, it is very clear that one can go short at 1845 only, and a long entry at 1855 levels, but largely, as I shared in my weekly analysis, 1840 1865 levels, these levels should definitely play a stronger role for gold to get passed by either way. So if it breaks past by 1855, you can take a long entry for 1858 1860 zone. That is going to definitely provide a stronger resistance. Beyond that, we may see it going till towards 1865 levels. So take your positions accordingly. On the downside, if you see it breaking below 1845, one can go short, one can expect. See, there is a very strong support on the downside till towards 1840 levels. There is support at 1842, there is a support at 1844 levels. So I'll be watchful of that. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. See, today morning I told you that one can remain short on Nasdaq 100 till the time it is trading below 12820. That is the resistance we are looking for. Till the time it trades below 12820, we can expect a drop, and 12650 600 was the target. It has almost completed this journey. Multiple red candles we have seen. It is trying to trade with this within this channel. Lower highs, lower lows. The support there at 12600 12580 is going to be strong, and below that, see, this is the 20 period moving average, which might give it a support at around 12580 12590 levels. If it breaks past this, we can see a good fall there. Then 12550 will come into picture, and below that it is going to head till towards 12400 in the coming time frames. At the same time, on the upside, see, this is trying to trade within this. Any long entry now I'll recommend is beyond 12750 levels. If it trades beyond 12750, the next target is 12820, and beyond that it will fly on the upside. So till the time it trades between this 590 and 750, we have to be cautious. But let's have a more detailed look into other time frames. Look at the direction. Movement is still bullish. It is trying to converge here. That is something which I'll be watchful of. The stochastic has gone to oversold levels, and the MACD has just crossed over. It is wide divergent, and it is indicating more bearishness with the coming candles. The direction RSI was overbought, and it is dropped from there. That is what I had told you, that probably all. Also look at this, I told you that this is the reversal here, and probably with that we may see it reversing again on the downside. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts here, on the 3-hour charts as well, this is the reversal. After this, it is tried to drop, and it is consistently trying to trade in this channel. On the downside, the space is open here, and if it breaks below 12600, there could be further fall, which might try to take it towards, see, 12580 first support, 12550 second support, and below that it is going to head till towards 12400. On the upside, as I told, that yes, 12750 levels you can initiate a long entry. Then one can expect that it may try to go till towards 12800 820 levels, and beyond that only we can consider that this is reversed strongly on the upside. Chances are less that it is going to reverse. Any rise is good to sell till 12750 12800 levels. The directional movement is still bullish, but it is trying to trade with the bearish bias, and the 3-hour stochastic is oversold. See, it has come back to the oversold levels. It is diverging here, indicating little bit of bearishness. And if you look at the MACD on the 3-hour charts, it is wide divergent and still bearish, and the stochastic was overbought, and see, this is what is the reversal. This is called the power of analysis. Similar things, same thing I had told you earlier in the day. Now you can watch that video and see how it has behaved throughout this day. exactly as expected. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, here is a reversal. After that it is dropped. It is trying to trade in this zone. On the downside, the support, if it breaks pass by 12,590, 580, we can see 12,550 and 12,500, and then below that it is going till towards 12,400 levels. At the same time, one can take a long entry about 12,750 levels. Beyond that, definitely it may try to hit 12,800, 820 levels, and beyond that, that should be considered a reversal there. The directional movement on the 2-hour charts have crossed over for a sell-off there, and if you look at the stochastic there on the 2-hour charts, it is also looking downwards. The MACD is again extremely divergent. It is extremely bearish here on the 2-hour charts, and the RSI is also looking downwards, sloping downwards, indicating more bearishness there. Now look at the hourly charts here. On the hourly charts, see the 20 period moving average is coming out here. This is a 20 hours moving average. So last 20 hours it is traded with an average of around 12,750 levels. Yes, a trade beyond these levels definitely should be considered a bullish reversal. But look at this support here at 12,600. It tried to retrace back on. It tried to retrace here on the upside and failed to sustain that and dropping nicely. This is the first red candle after this retracement. Probably further red candles can come and it may try to drop strongly on the downside. That is my expectation from Nasdaq 100. Till the time it trades below 12,750, I will not recommend you to stay long on Nasdaq 100, but yes, a short entry should be taken at around 12,580 levels, or on the upside if you see it trading at around 12,750, at that point you can take a short entry. Now look at the directional movement is bearish here. It is wide divergent. The stochastic is also near to bottom there, dropping nicely, and the MACD is wide divergent. It is still bearish, and RSI is near to bottom there. Now coming back to the daily charts here. On the daily charts, if you look at, see this on the daily charts, lower highs are done and then a drop, and probably now it may try to come back till towards this zone, at least 12,400, and then beyond that we may see it dropping sharply till towards 12,200 levels. These levels can be achieved. It is trying to reverse, and this reversal probably can try to take it towards the lower bottom of this channel at around 12,200 levels, and in maybe couple of days we may see it coming till towards 12,200, 300, at least these levels, and then bouncing back from there. So probably I'll be watchful of the longs till the time it trades in this. Also look at this, on the upside it is still very much, it is trading in this bullish channel till the time it is about 12,200, so I'll be cautious there. The directional movement is bullish and it is trying to converge here and crossover for a sell. The stochastic is overbought, that is why we can see a red candle and we can see it dropping from here. Probably it can try to drop more and take it towards downside. The MACD was almost at its peak. It is wide divergent. It is trying to converge, and you can see a red candle on the daily charts, and the RSI is curving down too. Considering this, I'll recommend you to go short at 12,580 on Nasdaq 100. Below 12,580, you can expect that it will go till towards 12,550 first target, 12,500 next target, and below that we will be looking forward to 12,500 levels. There is a minor support at around 12,480, 12,490 zone that is also going to provide a little support. Then directly it will lead to 12,400 levels if it continues to trade in this fashion. At the same time, yes, you can go long at 12,700. Above 12,700 you will find 12,750 first support, and beyond 12,750 we can consider that as a reversal. It is going to try to hit 12,800 levels, the next target, and then beyond that sky is the limit. It may try to break 12,820 and fly on the upside. So do not short anything till 12,580, do not long anything till 12,700 levels in this 120 points. Just wait and watch and try to see which direction it is trying to take. Mostly we may see it dropping. See what it is trying to do. It is trying to reverse. At least higher lows can be done. 12,450, 12,400 levels can be seen before it tries to trade on the upside. This is one possibility which I am looking forward to. So take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, on US30, I told you today morning one can remain short till the time it is below 33,300. Look, almost 350 points have been done since today, and probably I hope you all profited till now. Now look at this. This is on the hourly chart. There is a very strong support at around 32,900 levels. 3 candles getting strong resistance and getting reversed from here. Here you can take a long entry at around 33,020 levels. Then one can expect 33,120 levels, and probably in fact it may try to come back till towards 33,150, 180 zone. So yes, that is going to be a good level to go short. Probably yes, if it tries to achieve anything till towards 33,200, 180,200, probably that is the good level to go short again on Nasdaq and US30, and we can see it falling from there. That is one of the probabilities which will be looking forward to. So go long at 33,000 levels, and probably we can expect 33,100, 33,180, 200 zone, and from there again you can try to initiate a short entry till towards 32,900. See, this zone at 32,900 definitely a very strong support on the downside. Directional movement is bearish on the hourly charts. The stochastic is also looking downwards near to bottom. The MACD is wide and divergent and is still trading with a bearish bias, and the RSI2 is near to bottom there. Look at the 2-hour charts now. On the 2-hour charts, couple of observations to make. See, 33,200 now a very strong resistance for it to pass by, and it may try to trade. In fact, the highs, if it tries to reverse on this candle itself, can be at around 33,180, 200 zone, and if it breaks 33,200, there could be a sharper rise on the upside. So there is a possibility that yes, it can try to reverse. It is almost from the bottom there, and it can try to reverse here and bit, and that is a probability that 32,900, 33,200 zone, it may try to swing before it tries to take a direction again on the downside. So very strong probability exists that it can try to swing a bit. Directional movement on the 2-hour charts is bearish here, and if you look at the stochastic, that is also on near to bottom. MACD, if you talk about MACD, is wide divergent and it is strongly bearish there. Now look at the stochastic. The stochastic is near to bottom there, looking downwards, sloping downwards. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Now look at the 3-hour chart. The candle here is almost 200 points. The previous candle, the just before this candle, the current candle, we can see it was almost swinging a bit, and now this candle may also try to give it 200 points of move. Now 200 points of move from around 33,040, it makes it, or it takes it to around 33,850 levels, so 32,850 levels. So there is a probability that it can try to go till towards 32,850, which is also a good support level, good resistance level before it tries to reverse back on the upside. And as I said, 33,100, yes, if you see it trading beyond this zone at 33,050, yes, you can go long for 33,100 20 levels, and beyond that it can try to go back till towards 33,200. 33,200 is going to be the ultimate resistance for the upside, any upside move. The directional movement on the 3-hour charts, it is bullish, but it is trying to converge there. See, the stochastic is again coming back to oversold levels. There is a possible reversal on the 3-hour candle that we might see in the coming time frames, and hence achieving 32,840, 800 levels, it may try to reverse back a bit on the upside. Possibility exists that it can try to go back till towards 33,200, and then a drop can be expected. The MACD is wide divergent and it is still bearish there, and if you look at the RSI, that is sloping downwards, looking downwards, indicating more bearishness. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, as I have told, there is a support here at 32,900, higher lows can be seen, and it can try to see, it is trying to form this probably now first resistance at 33,100, and beyond that it can try to go back till towards 33,200, which is going to be definitely a stronger support. Anything beyond 33,200 is a good entry to go long, and that should be considered as a reversal. At the same time, yes, here it is trying to take the support from 32,900 levels, and below that we can see it going till towards, see, 32,840, 800 zone. This zone may provide a little support for US30 for any downward move, and below that it can try to come back till towards 32,600 level. So I'll be cautious. It can try to swing a bit between 33,200 to 32,840 or 32,900 zone. Now look at the directional movement, it is still bullish but trying to converge here, and the stochastic on the 4-hour charts is near to bottom. MACD has just crossed over. This is third red candle. It is wide divergent. In fact, if it gives a reversal candle, it should be very strong for it to reverse it completely, else it may try to, any high, any rise is good to short there. So yes, if you see it trading again at 33,180, 200 zone, you can go short with a 100-point stop loss at 33,300, and then you can expect it to continue dropping there. Now look at here on the RSI was overbought. See, RSI overbought, reversal candle, and that is where I told you that it can try to drop, and that is what we have seen, a good drop throughout this day. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, lower highs. lower lows, it is trying to trade precisely in this zone itself, 33,300 to 32,900 level, and it can try to swing it a bit here. Probably the candles will remain red. See the step size also here, the steps are increasing, slightly increasing in nature. There is a probability that this candle, it may still try to come back till towards 33,200 level, and then a sharper drop in the coming candle or a reversal candle can be expected. So I'll be cautious in between this zone, that is 32,900 and 33,200 levels. These are going to be 300 points. Rather, I'll include 32,840 and 33,200 levels. These 350 points are going to be crucial for US30 for the day. Probably we may see it swinging here. Now look at the MACD here is trying to converge and crossover for a sell there. The RSI, the stochastic, is something which is overbought and which needs a certain drop in US30. The MACD is a white divergent and it is running parallel, indicating the bulls have lost their strength and it may try to converge. The RSI is also curving downwards. Considering this, it appears that yes, there is bearishness for sure. I'll first talk about a long entry there. If you want to go long, I'll recommend you to go long at 33,050 levels. Yes, beyond that, you can expect that it is going to rise till towards 33,100 first target, a strong resistance there, and then beyond that it may try to go back till towards 33,120 and 33,180 levels. 33,180 200 zone again is going to be very strong resistance for US30 to break today. If it breaks past by 33,200, then we will see it again coming back to 33,250 and 300. The 300 levels definitely the next strongest resistance there. On the downside, if you first of all, any rise till towards 33,200 is a good level to go short there. If you are long, in fact, at 33,050, you can enjoy the first 150 points at least, and then you can initiate a short entry from there, enjoying almost 200 points of move from there. So this is one possibility which it might try to trade in. Also breaking 32,900 there, you can go short for 32,840 levels, which are going to provide a very strong support for US30 for the day. 32,840, 32,800, these two levels if taken, I will be looking forward to a target of 32,660, 640 zone, which is going to provide the next support levels. So take your trades accordingly, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. You can join my Telegram channel, you can join my VIP signals, and you can join my mentorship batch. Details for this, for reach out to me via email or Telegram. My Telegram channel ID, my Telegram personal ID and my email ID is all mentioned in the video description and the channel description. Reach out to me for details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.